Let me show you how Bedazzled is Benefits Cosmetics Power Powder. So, of course, you're going to need your Benefits Cosmetics, the POREfessional setting powder. We're going to use liquid fusion glue. We're going to put it in a precision tip bottle. We're using clear rhinestones in a size 5M today. And we're using a wax pencil to apply those rhinestones. Here, I'm just sanding my setting powder, and then I'm going to wipe it with alcohol to begin the process. So I wanted to expose this logo on the top, so I outlined it with the glue, and I'm applying my clear transparent rhinestones with my wax pencil so that it can stick to the top of this lid. I see a lot of comments about what do I use to apply the rhinestones, mainly on my shorts. And it's basically a wax pencil. I'm going to actually have this linked in the comment section so that it's easier for everyone. I wanted the logo to be exposed because it's kind of like engraved in the lid. So this was just my way of showing the POREfessional. Next, I'm going to outline the actual lid with just going around in a circle. And then as I finish that circle, I'm going to just go in and fill in those little spots using 2M through 4M rhinestones. Those are usually called filler stones if you're new to rhinestoning. Filler stones are basically the size stone that you don't use like as your main stone. So these are like the fillers. So you could use either 2M, 3M, or 4M. My main stone is 5M, so that's going to be the primary stone, and the filler stones are the others. This makes your project look seamless and, you know, just kind of clean. And that's what we go for every time we rhinestone. You want it to look good. Moving right along, I'm going to do the side of the lid. And the method that I'm going to use is the honeycomb method. I use the honeycomb method because that's just my preferred method. It works for me. And if you don't know what the honeycomb method is, it's placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones to make a honeycomb-like pattern. I did not do this with the top of the lid because of the logo. So I did try, you know, I did something different. But even if I had to do the top of the lid with honeycomb method, I wouldn't, because it just wouldn't be worth it. To me, it's not worth it. But moving along, I'm placing my rhinestones. You want that first line. That first line is considered your foundation line. You want this line to be as straight as possible. If this line is not straight, you will notice it later on as you complete your honeycomb method. Now, because this is a smaller project and it didn't take that long, maybe 30 minutes, I didn't notice anything that would make me think that I messed up my foundation line. But I did try to keep it as straight as possible. That was the goal. And here I'm doing the front of the, what is it, setting powder? Yes. I like to go over like the front space first, because I want that to look as picture perfect as possible. Unfortunately, when I was recording this video, I was going out of frame, so I'm just showing you what I did with the side. I do like using transparent rhinestones. I don't know why people look bad upon them. I think it's easy, it's affordable, and you can kind of see what's going on, and it still kind of, you know, shows the product. With that being said, don't be afraid to use clear rhinestones, especially if you're a beginner. I feel like this is a great start, because once you start doing different colors and all those different schemes and, you know, the palettes, it gets expensive. So if you want to start off like beginner friendly, do clear rhinestones. You don't have to do the honeycomb method, but this is my choice. Lastly, I'm doing something different. This is the bottom of the setting powder, and I'm just going around in a circular motion. Usually I don't rhinestone the bottom of anything. I just did this one because I have like 3 of these already, and I really love this brand. And I'm not really into makeup, but I think I'm more so into skincare, and this one makes my skin looks, you know, flawless. So yeah, I recommend it. I think it's worth it. I have tried others, but nothing compares to this. But I'm just doing a circular method with just sizes 5M rhinestones, maybe 1 3M for that middle part right there at the end. But you're just going around and around in a circle, and it should turn out like this. And this is how it all came together. As you can see, transparent rhinestones aren't so bad. I don't know why people make it such a big thing, but I loved how it turned out. And let me know what you think in the comments. And thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more bedazzle content.